Abode. Meaning. Abode refers to the place where someone lives, whether it is a permanent or temporary residence. Definition. Abode is a noun that describes the location or dwelling place of a person. It is commonly used in formal contexts to refer to someone's home or residence. Examples in sentences. 1. After a long journey, they finally arrived at their abode. It was a cozy cottage in the countryside. Here, abode refers to their home, where they settled after traveling. 2. The explorers made their abode in a remote village. They stayed there for several months, studying the local culture. In this case, abode refers to the place where the explorers lived during their research. Usage. Abode is a formal or old-fashioned way of referring to a home or place of residence. It is less commonly used in everyday conversation, but still appears in literature or legal documents.
English practice.